Did you know that medieval warriors once wielded blades so sharp they could slice through steel armor like butter? When Crusaders first faced Damascus steel swords, they watched in horror as these mysterious weapons cut straight through their best armor. Even more shocking, the blades could bend almost in half without breaking. Each Damascus sword was a work of art, covered in flowing patterns that looked like watered silk. No two blades were exactly alike. Syrian blacksmiths guarded their forging secrets like treasures, passing them only to trusted family members. European nobles became obsessed with these legendary weapons. They paid massive fortunes for authentic Damascus swords, but no amount of gold could buy the knowledge of how to make them. Then around 1700, something terrible happened. The technology vanished completely. Maybe the special ore ran out. Maybe the master smiths died before teaching their apprentices. Today, even with electron microscopes and advanced chemistry, our best scientists cannot recreate true Damascus steel. Some ancient secrets are lost forever, proving that our ancestors possess knowledge we may never recover.